Hello guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video we're going to prepare a cream of tomato soup, and for that we'll be needing tomatoes, salt and cooking. Start. We will first cut across on our tomatoes, then we will blanch them. I'm doing this in order to, when removing the skin, it will be faster. It won't take time. We're going to blanch our tomatoes. In our pots, we will add in some water. And add in our tomatoes. Then give them 5 minutes to blanch. Now pull the skin off before blending. The reason why I blanched them was to make this process a little bit easier. Make sure you're handling your food. Make sure you're handling your food with clean hands. Next, we are going to blend our tomatoes. Come with me. We are going to add a tablespoon of butter. Then add in onion. Sweat them for 2 seconds. We will add in our tomato puree. And let it simmer. You can see my soup is cooking. So at this point you're going to add in salt, just to taste. You can also add in spices like black pepper if you want. I'm going to add in a little bit of milk. Stir and let it cook. Our soup is now ready. Enjoy.